Hi friend, today we are going to open my first Thrive Market box. So I haven't done anything except cut it open and I'm going to pull the stuff out. So it's been a while since we talked and I am home in Florida for the winter while my husband is deployed, and I wanted to come up with a solution for making my life back up at Fort Drum easier. So this is one step towards that goal, and I don't know if it's going to work out, but I'm testing it out and we're going to see how it goes. So there's this little booklets, Do Healthy Your Way. Oh, and it just talks about Thrive Market. So I will check that out later. I get very tired going to the Commissary for the big monthly shopping trip up at Fort Drum because they don't have everything I need, and then I have to go to Aldi as well, and I try to avoid Walmart at all costs, but basically it's Walmart, Aldi, or the Commissary, because those are the only things remotely close to me. I get really tired and it's a lot. So I'm trying to come up with a solution to that, and I thought maybe ordering some groceries would help. So let's see, Mom and I placed an order the other day, and it's going to come in two parts. So the frozen box is not here yet. This is just the dry items, and it turned out to be a lot more expensive than I thought it would be. So I'm not sure if this is going to continue, but I think the products are going to be great. So we got 2 bags of the sweet potato chips, and these feel like they're pretty full. Part of my problem with shopping online is I can't see the bags and I don't have a good visual of how big they are. Even though it says how many ounces, it doesn't help. So I wasn't sure how small these would be, but they are kind of small, but they feel pretty full, which is nice. They're not like 3/4 full of air. Treated us to carrot cake heavenly hunks. I needed some face cream, and this has SPF 30 in it, so I'm going to try it. Got some lemon pepper jerky for Caleb. He's going to love that in one of his boxes. Got collagen powder. Oh, we got riced broccoli. It sounded like I didn't know what I ordered. I really did. It just feels funny. It's squishy. I've never had riced broccoli before, but we're going to try it in broccoli soup. See how that goes. I got some raspberry leaf tea. Ooh, that is the freebie. Oh. I'm not sure this is what I wanted. I wanted my Smarty Pants multivitamin. I can't find that at Fort Drum. And this is the multivitamin and omegas, which sounds good. So now I just want to see if all the stuff that I particularly want, like B12 and iodine, are in there. And they are. And oh, but it has fish oil, and I'm vegetarian. I don't know how I feel about that, but I thought I was getting the normal Smarty Pants vitamin. I'll have to think about that. And then there's this stuff that is very well wrapped. So they packaged this in a Ziploc, and it got a little crushed, but I don't think it's bad. So those two things in that bag were vegetable broth and oat barista beverage, which goes with this other thing I set aside, Calm Organic Cacao Mix. These two things were my free gift for my first time order. So you got a choice of a free gift, so that was very nice. And I also got 40% off, which honestly made it affordable for our budget. And there were also some sale items. Otherwise, I don't think we could have afforded it on his army salary. Oh, I think this well-wrapped thing is my poppy. Yes, I got a poppy ginger lime. It sounded good. I'm gonna try it. I've never had it. And last but not least is our coconut milk. I'm gonna make some yummy Indian food with the coconut milk. So in just a couple seconds, hopefully we'll be transitioning to the frozen box, and then at the end, I will let you know what I think and if I think we're going to continue. It's a few days later and the Thrive Market frozen box arrived, and it's packed in dry ice. All I did was open the lid, and now I'm going to attempt to remove it. So let's see how it's packed. This is a really thick paper packing thing. I don't even know what it is, but it's well insulated. And the dry ice is completely melted, but that's okay. It's still pretty cool in here, and it's a cold day, so that's good. I think it took a couple days to get here. Okay, so here's what we've got. Two packs of frozen peas. They're Cascadian Farm brand, which is always good. A lot of these things you had to order multiples to even get them. Like the vegetables, I think you had to order at least two. Some of them we just ordered multiples because we were trying to reach the free shipping goal. So we got Alexia Yukon Select fries. 2 packs of Cascadian Farm mixed veg. Three of Amy's burritos. I think that was a minimum of 3. Oh, we got 2 packs of the fries. We got Mom this bread, which I just saw is flourless. Oh, so it's flourless sprouted grain bread. It's the Ezekiel 49 brand, which we have never gotten as far as I know. But it doesn't say it's gluten-free. It's low glycemic. Nice. 2 packs of the deep samosas. These are potato and pea. Some Mexican-style street corn. I'm excited to try that. We haven't tried that before. Also, I have never tried these, but I thought it might be good in my little egg English muffin sandwiches I make myself in the mornings to have a little extra protein. So I'm going to try them. And last, but definitely not least, 2 boxes of Amy's margarita pizzas. We only got those because they were on sale. So all of this stuff was expensive. Now I'm not going to share my thoughts further on that. I'm going to get all of this in the freezer, but Mom and I are going to try later the carrot cake heavenly hunks, and I'll share more of my thoughts later. Well, it's been a couple of weeks since I recorded the last clip, and I finally decided what to do about my Thrive membership, and we're going to try the Heavenly Hunks. So while Mom is getting the Heavenly Hunks out, I've decided that Thrive membership is not cost effective for us, and I'm going to keep the membership for the year and not renew it next year. And there's a couple of times in the year when I will order large quantities of groceries, but I'm going to be looking for an alternative for future. So, but it's been fun to try Thrive Market, and I know I'm going to enjoy the couple of other boxes that I'll order this year, but it's also been really fun to have these waiting for us. So these are the Heavenly Hunks carrot cake drizzle. And we've been looking at these for weeks, but we've had so many Christmas goodies to try, we haven't gotten to them. So finally it's time. The frosting is good.
Lots of oats. There's lots of oats.
That's very oaty. I can't focus. I can't focus on this. But it's got a nice cream cheese-ish frosting drizzle.
But I prefer the chocolate ones.
Well, it's not really cream cheese because they're vegan. But yeah, they aren't as good as the chocolate version. But it was really cool. They have lots of different flavors on Thrive, so you can try all of them. But we are grateful that you joined us for this video, and I hope it helped as you're looking at maybe a Thrive membership for yourself. It might be for you, it's not for us. But I'm glad we tried, and I'm glad we got to try these. So please give the video a thumbs up if you like it, because it helps get it out there into YouTube land. And please subscribe below and join us for future adventures.